The habitual party goer just how high she thought she'd get, and I asked the ethereal girls if they were floating, yeah, yeah. And so I asked the light of the day, what's this rush for heaven? And I saw a bird fly away, and I could not ask again. Taped actress knows